Greetings and welcome to my channel, Janet Street Sheet Music. Well, here I finally copied this into big letters so I could read it better. And I've loved this tune for a long time, and I really like the way, I think it's Moody plays it. I love the way he does it. Anyway, I finally got it into big enough letters. I think I'm going to make a class so other people could learn this, because it might be helpful for me to learn it, to try to teach it it's a beautiful song. I love to learn to improv on it. Basically, I'm just going to try to play it down right now as best I can, just because I just wrote it out. And here we go. No beats, no nothing. It's the key of D. We'll go through explaining it's strange later.